Hello, hello, everybody.
Uh,
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hello, everybody, wherever you are. We hope you're having an amazing day. I am Daphne, and Carla is our fearless technical support behind the scenes. She's getting things set up, and I am just going to kick off something I'm really excited about. Carla and I are trying to up the ante and provide more resources for our Smart Choices Wellness community. And we're introducing a new concept called the Wellness Lounge. And the Wellness Lounge is going to be an opportunity to hear from us as we educate about different wellness topics. And also, we're going to have guest speakers come in and help provide tips, tricks, strategies for living a life of wellness. And so today I'm very excited. We're talking about the challenge that we have coming up next week. We have a 100-gram protein challenge. And I'm excited about this because protein has been kind of a buzzword recently. We've heard about prioritizing protein, protein forward meals. We keep hearing these little buzzwords of protein, but protein is a really, really, really essential part of anyone's diet. And I don't mean diet as in losing weight, I mean diet as in the food that you're consuming and how you're nourishing your body. So, our 100-gram protein challenge is exciting because we're going to do it together. And next week, from Monday to Friday, in our Smart Choices community on Facebook, we're going to be sharing everything everything you need to know about how to boost your protein because most people aren't getting enough protein. So I'll pause there. Carla, I know you were doing all the
Yes,
setup
I'm
for the
technical.
deck.
Yes, I'm excited about this protein challenge because it was brought to my attention many years ago that as we are aging, that our ability to assimilate protein is less efficient. Therefore, we need to consume more protein in order to get the protein we need. Two, the benefits of protein is to one, help you stay full so you make better choices eating. Second is to balance those blood sugars. Third is to maintain muscle mass, and that powers our metabolism. We say that all the time. And also to help you burn fat. So those are some good reasons. But listen, the thing is, this is not just about aging, healthy aging, which I talk a lot about that because I'm 59. But if you're building a baby, if you're in the baby building stages, you need protein to build healthy cells. If you have children at home, they need protein. So everybody needs this. And so I think that's why this challenge is going to be so fun because the tips that we're going to share, which are like how to get protein in your diet, easy snack and meal ideas, not just boring chicken and rice, being able to have energy and feeling full and, supporting those muscles, but doing it all in a fun and supportive community. So we're learning, we're doing, and we're having fun. I just think it's amazing. So that's what I'm excited about is doing it together as a community.
Well, and this is a great opportunity. It's a free challenge, right?
Yeah.
There's no cost to participate. This is a great opportunity for you to invite a friend to do it along with you. It's always more fun when you have accountability partners and support partners. And so the fastest way to join and to get VIP is to go to our website,
Yes.
smartchoicesteam.com,
Yes.
and enter your info so that you can be on our VIP list and get all of the additional resources that we're going to offer. Again, this is going to be from Monday to Friday of next week, so we're kicking off on February 24th. There are no expectations. You do this on your own time. So whether you can check in with the group every day or you have to come in and out of the challenge, the content is there, but you got to sign up in order to get all the VIP goodies.
Yes. That's great. I think that's all. Sign up at smartchoicesteam.com. Click on the 500, the 500, 5-day 100-gram protein challenge, and that's all there is to it. Simple, simple. And then check your emails. So you get the info and you know where to find us online. So yeah, it's going to be great. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait. Oh, and how about if you're watching this, how about you leave a comment below if you're in? I'm in. Let us know if you're in so we can kind of see who's joining us.
I love it. All
All
right,
right.
everybody, make it a great week, and we'll see you
Yes.
on Monday for our protein challenge.
And thank you for joining us for our first episode of the Wellness Lounge.